welcome back for another video. Today we're probably at my favorite ski resort out here in Colorado, just west of Silverthorne. We're back at Copper Mountain. So Copper's been my favorite resort now for a couple years, but for obvious reasons it's been pretty difficult to get reservations up here. To reserve for Copper, you now have to do the online registration, but not through the Ikon website like a lot of other Ikon Pass resorts. You have to go through Copper's own resort website. They also do their passes by reservation for parking, not just individuals. So let's just say you have a group of 4 people and one of you was lucky enough to get the parking reservation. That means the rest of you don't have to do anything in order to register to ski that day. You just have to show your ParkWiz barcode app, and then they'll let you into the Alpine parking lot. From there, there's 3 different shuttles you can take, the East, West, and Center Village lots. We got some fresh snow overnight, maybe 4 to 6 inches. So just like any other day at Copper, it's gonna be a good one. Thank you. What's up guys, welcome back. Just got done riding at Copper. There was a ton of snow compared to what it usually is. And like I said earlier, there was actually a good dumping of snow last night. It came out to about 4 inches. So it made riding today so much better. Not a whole lot is open yet, so I kind of stuck more to the east side as far as terrain goes. We had perfect conditions today too, maybe 5 to 10 mile per hour winds up at the actual top of the summit. But down below at Center Village, it was perfect. I mean, it's about 30 degrees out right now. Not a cloud in the sky, so it made for a complete bluebird ski day. I really hope that you guys love this video as much as I did making it. And if you want to see more videos to come, or even ones that I've had in the past, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.